This is just a quick video to go over the structure of atoms. And so we know that atoms are made of three different types of particles. There are protons, neutrons, and electrons. And each one of these has a different mass, different charge, and is located in a different place in the atom. So let's look at those. Protons are located in the nucleus of the atom. That's the center of the atom. And the number of protons is known as the atomic number. So if there's one proton, the atomic number is 1. If there's 2 protons, then the atomic number is 2. And that's what tells you what element you have. If there's 2 protons, it's helium. If there's 3 protons, that's lithium, and so on and so forth. So the protons go in the middle. Protons have a positive charge of +1. So you see that here. This is a +1 charge. So they have a +1 charge. They also have mass, and protons have a mass of 1 atomic mass unit. These things are so small that we have to have a special unit for them called the AMU, and that is an atomic mass unit, and it has a mass of 1 AMU. All right. Second, we have neutrons. Neutrons are also in the nucleus, so we can put that in the nucleus. They have no charge. They are neutral, so they have a charge of 0, and they are also massive, so they have a mass of 1 atomic mass unit, just the same as a proton. So neutrons, they're neutral, they're in the nucleus, they weigh 1 AMU, but they have no charge. Now, the third type of particle is called an electron. Electrons orbit around the nucleus in these clouds or energy levels, and they have essentially no mass. They don't weigh very much, less than 1/1000th of a proton. So we just neglect their mass usually. And they have also a charge, though. So they have a charge of -1. I put another electron in here, then you'll see we go to a -1 charge. So they have a -1 charge and no mass, and they're outside of the nucleus. They're in the outer parts. And that's how you make an atom. You put protons, neutrons, and electrons together. So the numbers that you need to know are the atomic number, which is the number of protons, and then the mass number. The mass number is the total mass of the nucleus here. So if I put 4 particles in there, it's going to have a mass of 4. So that's how you can get the mass number. So this is known as helium-4 because it has 4 particles in there. That's a mass of 4. The electrons don't contribute to the mass at all. So it's element number 2, helium. Okay, so that's the atomic number, and the mass number is 4. And it's currently not charged because the negative charges of the electrons balance out the positive charges of the protons. And that's really all you need to know about how an atom is put together.